Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the refrigerator door shelf. It's a really easy job, no tools required. Let me show you how we do it. Now to replace this shelf, we'll first of all open the door and remove any items that are in that area. There are two locking tabs that hold that shelf to the inner door liner. So we'll simply pull towards the center on those and discard the old shelf. The new one will go in the same manner. Just lift up on those tabs, make sure they lock into place, and our repair is complete. Told you it was an easy job. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.